Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Shrivastava and welcome to Code with PK. So in this video we write a C++ program to print the frequency of characters in a string. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 viewers only 3 or 4 are subscribed. More than 95% of my audience is not subscribed and a subscription is very important. So please do subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So this is the first example. So for the given string S, okay, Sachin Tendulkar, you have to print how many times each character occurs in this string. So frequency of uppercase S is 1, lowercase a is 2, okay, lowercase a is 1, lowercase h is 1, so on till the last character lowercase r is 1. Okay, the second example is uppercase J, AVA, Java. So uppercase J occurs once, A occurs twice, and V occurs once. Okay, so we will solve this problem using two separate methods. In the first method we use brute force, right? We don't do any optimizations. In the second method we use sorting. Okay, so there is a third method as well, where we can use an STL map to find the frequency of characters in the string. That will be done in the next video, right? So if you want to look at that video, the link of that video will be in the description of this video. Okay, so let's begin. So I'm going to write a function void print frequency of characters, okay, takes a string s. Okay, we use the brute force method. How? If you want to find the frequency of, say, this string, say programming, okay, all you have to do is iterate from left to right. So indices are going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All you have to do is pick up each character at this ith index, okay, count how many times this character occurs in this string and print its count. Okay, so if we start from I left to right, I pick up uppercase P. I compare it with all the other characters. I see P occurs only once, so I print P1. I move on to the next character, which is lowercase r. I iterate the entire string again. I see there is 2 matches here. Okay, so I print r twice. I move forward again. I pick up lowercase o. I match with all the characters in the string, so I see lowercase o occurs once. I print it out. Okay, I pick up G. Similarly, I find G twice, and so on for all the characters. Okay, so this is the first method. So let's code this. Okay, so all I have to do is iterate from left to right, gth I plus plus. Okay, I say char ch, the ith character is s of I. Count the number of times ch occurs in the string s. Okay, so I take another loop. Okay, j is less than s dot length, okay, j plus plus. Okay, so if ch equal to s of j, okay, all right, and I start with a count equal to 0. Okay, I'll have to find the count for each character, so count begins with 0. For each character I do count plus plus. Okay, and after this for loop, when I know how many times this character ch occurs in this string, I print the count. So I say cout, okay, ch followed by a colon followed by a count, okay, and enter. Okay, so this code should be printing the frequency of characters in your string. So if I take string s equal to, say, programming, okay, in the main, I call this function, pass the value of the string s. So let's run this, compiling and running. Okay, so we get the output, we get characters with the corresponding frequencies, but the output is repeating for characters that occur more than once. For example, I have r2 and r2 again, so m2 and m2 again. I don't want that. I want the count of each unique character to be printed only once. Okay, and to fix this, what we can do, okay, if you look at this case, right, so if I come at this r again, okay, so r has already been printed, but this code is counting r again. So after g I'll get r2 again, okay, the way I am getting here. Okay, after g I get r again. Okay, I don't want that. Okay, so what I can do, I can keep a track of all the characters that have been printed so far, and I print only the character that has not been printed so far. Okay, so I take something like that, printed so far, okay, a blank string. Okay, when I print any character, I add it to printed so far. So when I print P, it becomes this. When I print R, it becomes this. When I print O, it becomes PRO. When I print G, it becomes PROG. When I print R, I check if R is already in this string or not. R is already in this string, so I don't print R again. I move on to the next character, which is A. Okay, I count how many times A occurs. A print. A is occurs once. A1 is printed. I check for M. Is M here? No. I count and print, so M occurs twice. Okay. I go to the next M. Okay. But I count only if M is not in this string. Okay. So when I print A and M, it becomes PROGA, then PROGAM. Okay. And when I'm trying to print the second M, I see that there is an M already in my printed so far. Okay. So in short, keep track of all the characters that you have printed so far. You print only the character that has not been printed so far. Okay. All right. So I start with a blank string printed so far starts with blank. Okay. Every time I print a character, I say printed so far plus equal to ch. Okay. But my counting starts only if my character is not in printed so far. Okay. The entire counting goes inside this if. Okay. So I say if ch not in printed so far, okay, count and print the frequency of ch. Okay. Now how do I check if a character is within this string or not? I use the find method. Dot find ch is equal to string and pause. Okay. So find method will take a character and look for this character in this string. Okay. So if this character is found in this string, it returns a valid index and index greater than or equal to 0. If this character is not found in the string, it returns a constant which is this. Okay. So if this condition is true, it means this ch was not found in this printed so far string. It means we have not printed the frequency of this character so far. So now we add how many times this character occurs and printed frequency. Okay. So now when I clear, compile and run again, I get all characters printed only once. PROG. Okay. And after PROG, I don't get another R. Okay. Then A, then only one M, not the extra M, and then I, and then N, and then no other G. Okay. All right. So this was your first method to find the frequency of characters in a string. Okay. Very brute force. All right. So I'll name this method 1. Okay. Okay. Now second method uses sorting. Okay. Let me explain how. So that will be method 2. Okay. All right. So how do we plan to use sorting? Okay. I'll take the same string programming again. Programming. Okay. I build an array of the characters of the string. Okay. So my array would look like uppercase P, lowercase r, O, G, R, A, M, I, N, G. Okay. Programming. All right. Then I sort. Okay. Any order is okay, but we sort in ascending order. Okay. So when you sort characters in ascending order, they are sorted by the order of their ASCII values. So ASCII value of uppercase letters are smaller than the ASCII value of lowercase letters. So all uppercase letters in alphabetical order come first, followed by all lowercase letters in alphabetical order. Okay. So we have uppercase P as the only uppercase letter, so P comes, and then all these in sorted order. Okay. So when you sort this array, which is made up of the characters of this string, you get something like this. Okay. So we can see all the characters with the same ASCII value, that is all the equal characters, all the same characters are grouped together. So G occurs twice, grouped together, M occurs twice, grouped together, and R occurs twice, grouped together. And this is the property that we use to count how many times each character occurs in the string. Okay. So if I give this indices, so this index is going to be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I have an I iterating from left to right. Okay. I will iterate all the unique characters, that is I will be here, 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 I will be, oh, this is not a unique character, this is a repetition. So I will be here, then I will be here, and then I will be. Okay. So I starts at 0. Okay. J is set to I. Okay. J is here. All right. We count as long as character at jth index equal to character at ith index. Okay, I and j at the same index, I moves forward, I comes here. Okay, character at I is a, character at j is p. Okay, mismatch. Okay, we stop. So count is going to be I minus j equal to 1 minus 0 equal to 1. So uppercase p occurs once. Okay, I comes here. Okay, we repeat the process. Okay, now j starts here. Okay, we count as long as I and j indices have the same character, I and j have the same character. Okay, I moves forward. Okay, character at index is g, a, mismatch, count is going to be I minus j equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So lowercase a, okay, the character where j is once. I comes here, j comes here. Okay, move forward as long as both I and j have the same character. Okay, so I and j have the same character. Okay, I comes here. Okay, character here is lowercase g. Okay, same as character here at where j is. Okay, I goes here. Character here is lowercase I. Okay, character here is lowercase g, mismatch. Okay, stop. So count now is I minus j, which is 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So lowercase g occurs twice. Okay, and this is how we keep on going. Okay, so in this case you get the order of characters in sorted order, that is you get first p, then lowercase a, then g, then I, then m, then n, then o, then r. So p once, a once, g 2, I once, m 2, n once, o once, and r twice. Okay, so first create an array of characters of string s. Okay, so I say characters. Okay, s dot length. So I can take s dot length in a separate variable gthl. Okay, right. We copy all the characters from this string into this array. So for int I equal to 0, then l I plus plus. Okay, characters of I is going to be s of I. Okay, then sort this array in ascending order. Okay, so you can write your own sort, but I'm going to use inbuilt sort. So std sort starting from characters, okay, till characters plus l. Okay, last index. Okay, and now count frequencies and print. Okay, so our idea was I iterates the entire length of the array. Okay, so int I starts with 0 while I is less than l. Okay, so length of the array is going to be the same as the length of the string, so I'm iterating till l. Okay, I say int j is I. Okay, my j is at where my first character at ith index is. So the character where this index j is characters of I. Okay, I will keep moving forward as long as I is a valid index and as long as the character at ith index is the same, okay, as the character at jth index, which is ch. Okay, right, I do I plus plus. So basically what is happening, j is at the index pointing to the character of which I want to find the count. Okay, and I is iterating through all the copies of that character. Okay, so this loop stops when I'm done iterating over all the copies of ch. So my count comes out to be, okay, I minus j. Okay, and then I print the count simply with the corresponding character, which is this. All right. Okay, so let me compiles. So making a call to this second function, so clear and compiling again and running. Okay, I should get the output in sorted order. Okay, so if you compare to what we did right, PAGIMNOR, PAGIMNOR, and you get the counts correct in the order, in the sorted order, in the order of the ASCII values. Okay, all right. So this was the code to find the frequency of characters in a string, and these are the two methods. Okay, so in the first case we are doing no optimization, it's a nested for brute force case, and the order of output is in the original order of appearance. Okay, in the second case we are using sorting, so it is O n log n, and the output of characters is in sorted order. Okay, if you want an optimized approach where output is in original order of appearance, let me know, I'll add a code for it as well. Okay, so the third approach will be using an STL map, right? So that will be done in a separate video. So the link for that video can be found in the description of this video, right? You can check it out. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. You like this video. So if there is any doubt in this video, if there is a part you don't understand, please let me know in the comments. I always try to answer all your comments, and you can always let me know in the comments if there is a question you want to solve or if there's a concept you want to discuss. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Please let me know your thoughts about this video, and thank you.